Welcome back to Alchemy online class. Hope you all have done the homework yesterday. You all have gone through the extra mark app for yesterday's topic and done the homework based on various modes of feeding. See the next image for the answer. Yesterday I asked you the question, how does starfish obtain its food? Have you got the answer? The answer is starfish feeds on the animals which are having the hard shells made up of calcium carbonate. When the starfish opens the shell of the animal, it pops out its stomach through its mouth and takes the soft animal inside the shell into its mouth, and then the stomach goes again back to its mouth, and then the digestion of that soft animal occurs in the body of the starfish. Yesterday we learned animal nutrition involves nutrient requirement, in mode of intake of food and utilization of food by the body. Then we learned the nutrition involves 5 processes, and we learned the names of these 5 processes like ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. We also learned that nutrients are present in the food and these nutrients are needed by the body. But body cannot take these nutrients and directly from the food because these nutrients are in the complex form. They are the complex substances and they cannot be taken directly from the food. For example, when we talk about carbohydrate, it's a complex substance. It is made up of many glucose molecules. If we want to take this carbohydrate from the diet, we have to first break down it to the simpler substances. Like when the carbohydrate is broken down, it is broken down into different glucose molecules, which is a simple sugar. So, the process in which the complex substances are broken down into the simple substances is called digestion. Today we are going to study about digestion, and we will start with the digestive system in humans. We take in food through mouth, digest it and then utilize it. The unused parts of food are then defecated. But have you ever wondered what happens with the food in the body? When we take the food, it passes through a continuous canal. This canal starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. This canal is divided into compartments. The compartments of this canal are buccal cavity, food pipe, or it is also known as esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. These compartments together forms the digestive tract. It is also known as alimentary canal. The components of food gradually gets digested when the food travels through the different compartments of the alimentary canal. The inner walls of stomach and small intestine and the various glands associated with the canal like salivary glands, liver, pancreas secrete digestive juices. These digestive juices convert the complex substances of food into simpler substances. So here the alimentary canal along with the different glands associated with this canal forms the human digestive system. Now you all know that alimentary canal means the digestive tract. It is 9 to 10 meter long and it starts from mouth and ends at anus. Digestion has 2 parts, mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. In mechanical digestion, physical breakdown of food is there. This physical breakdown is done by chewing or churning of food. In chemical digestion, the breakdown of complex substances into simpler substances is done by the chemical compound called enzymes. These enzymes are secreted by the different organs associated with the digestive tract. These enzymes are the digestive juices secreted by the inner walls of stomach and small intestine and the different glands associated with the digestive tract like salivary glands, liver and pancreas. These enzymes break down the complex substances of food like carbohydrate, protein, fats into their simplest form. Now, the time taken for digestion varies from person to person. It is not same for everyone. But it can range from 12 to 48 hours depending on the type of food eaten. This is the end of today's class. We will learn about how digestion occurs in the different compartments of digestive tract in the upcoming classes. Now we will recapitulate whatever we have learned today. Today we learned about digestion. What is digestion? The process of breaking down the complex substances of food into simple substances that can be taken by the body is called digestion. Then we learned about digestive tract. This digestive tract is also called alimentary canal. It starts from mouth and it ends at anus. It is about 9 to 10 meters long. As you all now know that digestive tract is having different compartments like buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Then we learn that this alimentary canal along with the various secreting glands forms the digestive system. These secreting glands are salivary glands, liver and pancreas. Then we learn that digestion has two parts, mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. In mechanical digestion, there is a physical breakdown of food by chewing and churning of food, and in chemical digestion, the digestion occurs or the breakdown occurs by the chemical compounds called enzymes. Here these enzymes are secreted by the various glands associated with the digestive tract. These enzymes break down the complex substances of food like carbohydrate, protein, fats into their simplest form. At the end, we learn that the time taken for digestion varies from person to person. It can be from 12 to 48 hours depending on the type of food eaten. Now it's time for today's homework. The homework is refer extra marks app for today's topic, and the question of today's session is why do we get instant energy from glucose? I repeat the question, why do we get instant energy from glucose? Find out the answer of this question. We will meet tomorrow once again. Till then, keep learning.